G'day. Today we're going to build a bench seat using the rapid furniture legs, and at the end of this project you'll be able to use any of the rapid furniture legs to complete your project. So before we begin, let's look at all the things you need to get your project done. Today we've got the La Paz bench seat legs, our timber screws, our drill for our pilot hole, impact drive for popping our screws in. We've selected our piece of timber for our bench, but you can pick anything you like. We've got our tape measure and square for positioning our legs. We've got some floor protection for underneath if you wanted to, and then we're going to finish it off with a stain later on, something to clean it up afterwards. Okay, first step, let's get rid of all the packaging, all the protective packaging from our furniture legs. Then we can remove the packaging from our bench top. And we're ready to go. Then we're going to position our legs. Today we're going to mark them at 20 mm inside from the edge of the top. For shorter panels, we're positioning our furniture leg about 20 mm from the edge. A tip for when using longer panels, bring the leg in about 300 mm from the end. So now we're going to pre-drill our holes just to make sure our timber doesn't split. With the panel that I'm using is 33 mm, so I've set my drill bit to be about 30 mm just to make sure I don't go through the top of the timber. Now we're going to finish pre-drilling the rest of our holes. The holes are 6 mm. Today we're using a 12 gauge timber screw, 35 mm long, and with our 33 mm top and 6 mm steel bar at the top of our legs, we'll have plenty of room so we don't go through the top. To pre-drill, we've used a 3 mm timber drill bit, and when we put our screws in, we're using a 5/16 impact driver, but check the back of the packet for the correct one. So now let's fit our timber screws in. Start off in the centre. Now I've left it a couple of mil short, so it gives you the chance just to square it up when you put your next screw in. Next, we'll go one end, fit that one off, and then go up the other end and fit another one off. Once you're happy with the position of your leg, you can then go ahead and fit all your screws off and tighten the ones you've already done. So when you're ready, just repeat the process as you did the other side by starting off pre-drilling before you put your screws in. Another tip is to add some floor protection to protect your floorboards inside. Here I'm using a roll of stick-on felt. I've cut it to size and stuck it on the bottom of my furniture leg, so you just peel the back off and stick it on. So now our bench seat is pretty much done. Once you've finished staining it and varnishing it, you can sit down and enjoy it with the rest of your family.